G'day guys, it's a new day and I got a little bit ahead of myself before I got the camera out. I started stripping the engine. I've got the sump loose now, so we're going to get straight into checking these bearings out. It's going to be very hard, I think, trying to show you guys what's going on. First thing you look at is the pickup. See if there's any goodies in there. We'll check cylinder 1 bearing, like the rod bearing first, and then after all that we'll pop the girdle off and check the main caps. Can't say I've ever done this before, but as long as you re-torque them to the correct specs, shouldn't have any issues. Fingers crossed, because this engine's still good. Alright guys, so I got the cap off of rod 1 or cylinder 1, and to me there's a little bit of wear on the bearing, but nothing too crazy. I don't really know what would be worn and what wouldn't be worn. Like obviously if there was heaps of wear on this, you know, you'd know it's stuffed, but I don't know, it doesn't look that bad to me. Yeah, obviously it doesn't wear under the other side, but yeah, I don't know. You let me know what you think. I'll keep pulling the rest off. But yeah, I don't know, it doesn't look that bad. And the crank looks good, obviously there's no hot marks or anything silly like that. But yeah, I'll keep doing them. And I'll show you guys. It's got cylinder 2 off now, and it is very clear something has gone through this one. So there's a big gouge mark. I don't know if it's focusing properly. But yeah, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to get new bearings. So while I'm here, I'll get rod bearings, mains, and yeah, we'll go through the process of just putting new bearings in. You obviously got to measure them with this little tape thingy that I've seen before. I've never done it myself, but yeah, I'll do it because I'm pretty interested in all that. I've also got a trick I'm going to do with the oil pump, try and up the pressure a little bit here. I'm pretty sure you just shim this pressure relief valve. I just got to find out exactly how, and I might even change this pickup because it looks pretty scungy. Looks like it's been beaten up a bit. I've got a few in the back of the shed, so I'll change that over. Yeah, I got to fix the rear main seal too. And what else have I got to do? Oh, I'm just going to like change a heap of hoses and stuff like that, but it's kind of holding me up now, the whole bearing process. So I've got to try and get a hold of someone today, see if I can get any ordered, because there's not going to be any around in SA at the moment. So yeah, get them in and hopefully they're here during the week. I can get cracking into fixing that. Oh, a bit of a bummer. Kind of knew it was going to be a small issue there, but it's not even that bad. Like the crank still looks freaking good. Obviously I'll check everything else, but very curious to see the mains. That'll be very interesting. That's what happens when you have no oil pressure. Well, little oil pressure. People have said to get an accumulator. I might even look into that yet. So probably a good idea. I've never needed one before, but yeah, it's probably time I go on just for insurance. Poor man's dry sump setup. Alright, so 3 and 4 were pretty bad as well, and well, the same as number 2. I'm on number 5 now, and you can see it's pretty worn on either edge. So yeah, it's probably a good thing I am doing this. Alright, so the last one, cylinder 6 is yeah pretty worn as well. So now I'm just going to check the main caps. If you guys end up doing this sort of stuff yourself, just letting you know the part number for the bearing is actually on the bearing, on the underside of it. It's not going to focus, but yep, there it is. I'm going to get ACL race bearings, not these standard Nissan ones, to put back in here. But yeah, let's get the main caps off. Okay, so I've got all these bolts loose here. Pip's here to help. Yeah, thanks Pip. So yeah, I'm just gonna pull this off and then I'll check the caps, obviously get the part number, that's the main thing. And then yeah, we'll see the condition of them all. This is gonna be scary. Oh, Jesus Christ. Crank looks good. No hot marks, that's a relief. However, when we flip this bad boy down here, okay. Nope, we all knew that was going to happen. So, pretty decent inconsistencies. Ooh, Jesus Christ. Someone's hit that bad boy. Okay. Yeah, not great. A little bit of wear, a little bit of wear, a little bit of wear, a little bit too much wear. Something's been in there. Something has destroyed this bearing. I don't know, that's definitely not normal, I'm assuming. And then yeah, a little bit of wear. So, kind of glad I've done this. But yeah, now I've got to get some bearings. Something has violently gone through that one. But the crank looks all good there. So I'll have to pull the crank out, see what the bearing looks like underneath. Almost like the oil gallery's got something stuck in it. Anyway, should be alright. Yeah, I'm just going to place all this back together, guys, and we'll probably call that a day. I'm still going to tinker around in here, but we'll end the video there, I think. I don't want to jump from one thing to another and then just really confuse you guys on what the bloody hell I'm doing. So I confuse myself most of the time. So yeah, we'll wrap it up there, and we'll be back very soon with something else happening with Sonvia. Alright guys, thanks heaps for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.